work from home, and earn up to $300 per week from this website. If you're tired of scrolling through job boards, sending dozens of applications, but then you don't still get a response, then this video could save you a whole lot of time. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 3 legitimate websites that can actually pay you to work from home. Whether you're a beginner or someone who already has skills, then this website connects you with real-time clients that are ready to pay you for your service. And the best part is the fact that these websites are actually free to join. So I'm going to show you guys what these websites are all about, who it's best for, how much you can realistically earn from this website, and most importantly, the mistakes you need to avoid, especially when getting started. So without wasting much more time, let's get right into the video. The first website is Upwork. If you've never heard about Upwork, then you need to understand that Upwork is an online marketplace where businesses and individuals hire freelancers for projects. Instead of working for a single employer, you can work with different clients from around the globe, all from your laptop. One thing I want to make clear is that Upwork doesn't pay you just for creating an account. You earn money by completing work for clients who choose to hire you. How much you earn depends on your skill, your pricing, the project you win, and the quality of your work. Every day, thousands of businesses post projects on Upwork. Some need someone to edit YouTube videos for them, others are looking for graphic designers, writers, visual assistants, web developers, translators, marketers, and many other professionals. So how exactly do you get started? The first step is creating your account and completing your profile. This is one of the most important parts because your profile is often the first thing potential clients will see. Then you need to choose a professional profile picture with good lighting. It doesn't have to be taken by a professional photographer, but it should be clear and look professional. Next, you need to write a strong headline. Instead of something generic like freelancer, you need to be more specific, more like I help YouTube creators edit engaging videos, or professional graphic designer creating modern brand identities. The clear headline immediately tells clients what you do. After that, you need to write a profile description that focuses on how you can help clients solve problems, because a whole lot of clients out there are looking for someone who can actually solve their issue. Instead of just listing your skills, you need to explain the value you provide. For example, instead of you saying if you're looking for a reliable video editor who delivers clean edits, engaging captions, and fast turnaround times, I'll be happy to help. And once your profile is ready, you can start applying for jobs. Read each job descriptions carefully before submitting a proposal. Avoid copying and pasting the same message to every client. Instead, mention something specific about their project and briefly explain how you can help. Personalized proposals often stand out more than generic ones. Now, moving to the second website in today's list is Fiverr. Unlike Upwork, it works a little differently. Instead of you spending most of your time applying for jobs, Fiverr allows you to create a service listing called a gig, and this gig is what clients can browse and purchase. Think of it like opening your own online store. You decide what service you want to offer, how much you want to charge, how long it will take you to complete the work, and what is included in your package. Businesses from all around the world visit Fiverr every day looking for freelancers who can help with tasks such as video editing, graphic design, logo creation, translation, AI services, and a whole lot of other services out there. One of the biggest advantages of Fiverr is that clients often discover your gig through Fiverr search results, which means you don't always have to apply for projects like you do on Upwork. So, how do you create a gig that stands out? Start by choosing one service you're confident you can deliver very well. It's usually better to become known for one thing than to offer 10 unrelated services. For example, if you're a video editor, your gig title could be I will edit engaging YouTube videos with captions, transitions, and professional effects. If you're a graphic designer, your gig might focus on logo design or social media graphics. Your gig description should explain exactly what the buyer will receive. Be clear about your turnaround time, the number of revisions you offer, and anything the client needs to provide before you begin working. Now, let's talk about pricing. Many beginners make the mistake of setting high prices without any reviews. While you should always value your skills, it's also important to understand that buyers often look for freelancers who have built trust through positive feedback. Some new freelancers choose competitive pricing while they build their reputation. As they gain experience, complete successful projects, and receive positive reviews, they gradually increase their prices to reflect the value they provide. Another important factor on Fiverr is communication. Respond to clients' messages professionally and as quickly as you can. ask questions if you're unsure about the project requirements, and always deliver work that matches what you promised in your gig. Like any freelance platform, Fiverr doesn't guarantee income. Your results depend on the quality of your work, the demand for your services, your pricing, and the relationships you build with clients over time. Now, moving to the final website for today's video is freelancer.com. So Freelancer has actually been around for many years, and it connects freelancers with businesses looking for help across a wide range of industries. You'll find projects in areas like graphic design, content writing, data entry, virtual assistants, AI-related services. Just like Upwork, clients post projects and freelancers submit bids explaining why they're the right person for the job. One feature that makes freelancer.com unique is its contest. Instead of submitting only a proposal, some clients create design contests where multiple freelancers submit their work. The client then chooses the winning entry. For creative professionals like graphic designers, logo designers, illustrators, contests can be another way to showcase your skills. When creating your freelancer profile, include a professional photo, list your strongest skills, and upload examples of your previous work or personal projects. And then, most importantly, when you're bidding on projects, do not rush. Take your time to understand what the client is asking for and write a proposal that directly addresses their need. Now, before you rush off to create accounts on all these three websites, there's one important thing I want you to remember. These platforms are tools. They connect freelancers with clients, but they are not shortcuts to instant income. If you create a profile today and don't receive a project immediately, don't get discouraged. That's a normal part of freelancing. The freelancers who tend to succeed are the ones who keep improving their skills, communicate professionally, deliver quality work, and stay consistent over time. If you're just getting started, choose one skill and focus on becoming really good at it. Whether it's video editing, graphic design, writing, virtual assistants, or another service, mastering one area is often more effective than trying to do everything all at once. As your experience grows, you can expand your services, build a stronger portfolio, and increase your rates based on the value you provide. Remember, while some freelancers earn $300 per week or more, that isn't guaranteed. Your earnings will depend on factors like your skills, the services you offer, your pricing, clients' demand, and the amount of work you complete. If this video helped you understand how this platform works, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more freelancing and remote work content, and let me know in the comments which of this website you're planning to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.